can I stay one more day? He said, one more day? Yeah, you can go. What? Can you do all those close-ups? It looks very amateurish. He said, I thought he's talking about me.
Yeah.
He said, me, I have not acted for 1 year. It shows.
Oh, gosh.
How can you refuse a man like that?
yeah.
I said, if I had to rebuild the set, I would have built it for him.
Yeah.
So the director is asking for something. That's what I said. The word pertinent I used was,
Yes, exactly.
when he tells you, you're convinced. You're not asking, what do you want? Please tell me what you want. Keeping on, taking after take, what do you really want?
Yeah.
But he clearly tells you, and you say, yes, that's what I should have done. And that's very rare in a
Amazing.
director. Very few have that. When that happens, the set lights up, even without lights.
But to be working, in the kind of circumstances that we did because of the
COVID and
way films are being shot now, it's a huge challenge a huge challenge for me. I'm sure Kamal, you must be feeling the same thing. But not to have that environment around you, and to be able to imagine that, it's a little putting off in the beginning. But then when you see a couple of results, then you get used to it. But for us, it was.
Like I was just telling backstage, my mentor, Mr. Kamal Haasan, I went and told him a story which I saw Rishida, and he, between shot, light up, they used to be playing chess. Both the lead man and the director will be playing chess, and the unit will be waiting. And he'll say, okay. And then they'll go to the shot. I came back and told my boss that that's how calm a set should be. Are you trying to tell me something? I said, yes, sir. You're so excited. And I am nervous. What do you expect with you guys in the set? I am nervous. No, but it catches on. It's contagious. And we don't want that. But that's very important.
But what is really admirable, and I've said it so many times, is the kind of discipline that we see in the South. I'm sure that you will agree with that.
No, but
That discipline.
well, the grass
just
is always greener.
unbelievable. Right from the spot boy to the director to the in a lifetime. And many of us in several lifetimes will not get. But I see poetic justice. That's what Indian cinema is all about.
Yes.
You get to see poetic justice in 3 hours. No matter what you may say about us, at the end of the day, you will go back with some moral, some ethics, which is cultural, which is Indian.
Beautiful.
And I can tell you, people are going to be shocked when they see Kalki with the kind of effort that has been put in. And these visuals are just unbelievable.
yes.
And I was just seeing some comments on the net, which is very heartening. So, like exactly what you said about
Bringing
India is ready for it, and they are, because they are owning it up, and they're saying,
Great.
nice, we deserve to see such films.
Great.
Yay!
This is the silence that we have on the sets. We have nothing more to say because we are fully
Now we have
satisfied.
to redo this because this light was off.
Oh shit.
Hey, light band ho gayi?
CG में करेंगे.
It's on the TV.
No, I'm just
Now,
So if there's anything else, Swapna, Priyanka ji, if you want to, ask us or say something.
I think we just
or
want to
express
thank
something.
you.
Prabhas,
We
you
just
haven't
want to
spoken
thank
at all.
you. Thank you for
Which is not unusual because normally you don't say much.
he is maintaining the pregnant silence of the director.
I'm imitating my director.
I think we're all extremely thankful, sir, all of us, extremely grateful
No, these
for
are just
what has
formalities.
happened.
Don't
No,
do
no,
that.
no, no. This is truly from the heart because not on a regular day, not on it doesn't, something like this doesn't happen to everybody and just happen to us. We're very, very grateful. That's because I feel my father has invested so much of his life into cinema, and I feel cinema is giving back it to us. It's as simple as that.
మాతో మీ వ్యాపారాన్ని పెంచుకోండి. అన్ని రకాల వ్యాపార ప్రకటనలు మా IOTT ప్లాట్ఫారంలో వేస్తాం. అతి తక్కువ ఖర్చుతో మీ వ్యాపారం నిమాతో ముందుకు తీసుకువెరతాం. అన్నింటిలో మీ వ్యాపారం ప్రచారం చేస్తాం. మీ వ్యాపారం మా ప్రచారం.
మీ వ్యాపార ప్రకటనల కోసం ఈ నంబర్కి కాల్